Ronnie Coleman is an American retired professional bodybuilder, the winner of Mr. Olympia title for 8 years in a row. He is regarded as one of the greatest bodybuilder of all time. Alongside, he held the record for most wins as of IFBB professional with 26 titles until it was broken by Dexter Jackson. He is known for his better physiques, his tall body shape. That's why he is so popular bodybuilder. Number two is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold is an Australian American actor, businessman, retired professional bodybuilder, and wrestler. Arnold began life lifting weights at the age of 15 and win the Mr. Universe title of age 20. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest bodybuilder of all time. He won title Mr. Universe, Mr. Olympia, 7 times International Powerlifting Championship, German Powerlifting Championship. The next is Dexter Jackson. Dexter Jackson is uh, also famous. His name Blade. Dexter Jackson is a retired American bodybuilder and 2008 Mr. Olympia Bodybuilding Championship. Uh, Jackson Jackson has been more professional bodybuilding titles than any other person. Number four is Jay Cutler. Jay Cutler is an American professional bodybuilder and IFBB pro. He is a four-time Mr. Olympia winner, having won in 2006, 2007, and 2009 and 2010. Throughout his career, Cutler has been featured on cover of fitness magazines such as Muscles and Fitness Flex and Muscular Development. He has not competed since 2013 and has invested focus on the Cutler nutrition. Number 50, Lee Honey. Lee Honey, IFB professional bodybuilders. Honey shares most recorded of Mr. Olympia titles at the 8 with Coleman. Honey was able to retire at a remarkable young age of 31. Honey never lost his title after a record of 8 victories. He retired in the 1980s. Next is Dorian Yates. Dorian Yates is an English former professional bodybuilder. He won the Mr. Olympia title six consecutive times from 1992 to 1997 and has as the fifth highest number of Mr. Olympia in history, ranking behind Ronnie Coleman, Lee Honey, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Phil Heath. He is considered to be one of the pro bodybuilders in history and was well known for uh, his wide and think Phil Heath. Phil Heath is the American IFBB professional bodybuilder. He is a seven-time Mr. Olympia winner, having won the competition every year 2011 to 2017. Phil Heath made his professional debut in 2006. The next one is Kevin Lauren. Kevin Lauren known for the having a muscular physique. He won 23 titles for Pro Source 2 Arnold Classic, 4 times Olympia, second ranking. He has never won the prestigious title of Mr. Olympia. Surprising everyone, he made his comeback at the age of 51 after his unofficial retirement in 2003 for tricep tear. The next one is Lou Fringo. Lou Fringo is an American actor, fitness trainer, and a retired professional bodybuilder. As a bodybuilder, Fringo won IFBB Mr. Universe titles. He was also among the youngest to enter the prestigious contest of Mr. Olympia, starting on stage of the age of 23. Lou got interested in the prestigious pursuing career in Hollywood as uh, he was offered for the role of Incredible Hulk. The next one is Flex Wheeler. Flex Wheeler racked up on incredible 17 professional championship, but he never won the Olympia, finishing a runner-up position three times. He won a record four times of Arnold Classic. So, friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and write the comment in the comment box. I subscribe, and I am definitely I will try to give you the answer, everyone. So please, friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest and upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching.